Magna Textiles stands as a key force in Pakistan's textile industry, reliable, innovative, and built for large-scale production. DSG Energy installed a 6.1 megawatt solar system at Magna Textile. Solar is part of a larger commitment to sustainability, reducing the factory's environmental footprint. Real-time analytics allow Magna Textile to track savings, reduce costs, and measure environmental impact. By generating clean energy, Magna contributes to a greener, more resilient local community. At the core are Huawei 115 KTL inverters, built for efficiency and long-term reliability. Magna Textiles strengthens its energy independence, transforming natural light into unwavering industrial power.